Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of collectibles. Today, we're shining a spotlight on an exciting item for all you Pokémon enthusiasts out there. This is the best Pokémon TCG value pack featuring 3 random booster packs, totaling 30 cards. Packed with surprises, this value pack offers a chance to discover rare and holofoil cards from various sets. For those of you who might be new to the Pokémon trading card game, booster packs are a fantastic way to enhance your collection. Trade with friends, or simply enjoy the thrill of opening packs to see what treasures lie inside. Let's dive right in and unbox this exciting product. As we carefully peel back the packaging, we're greeted by 3 booster packs. The anticipation is palpable. Will we find any ultra-rare cards or holofoils? The excitement of opening these packs is what makes collecting so much fun. First up, we have our first booster pack. Let's see what's inside. The artwork on these cards is always stunning, and each card tells its own story in the Pokémon universe. As we flip through the cards, you can feel the nostalgia of Pokémon adventures and battles. Look at this. We've got some classics here, and oh, what's this? A rare holofoil. This is the kind of excitement that makes these packs worth it. The quality of the cards is top-notch, just what you'd expect from Pokémon. They're durable and vibrant, perfect for collectors or players. Now, let's move on to our second booster pack. Each pack is randomized, which means you never know what you might get. That element of surprise is what keeps collectors coming back for more. Will we strike gold again? Alright, here we go. Another great mix of Pokémon. It's always interesting to see how many different types of cards can fit in one set. The strategic depth of the game adds another layer of enjoyment for players looking to build competitive decks. And now, for our final booster pack. Can we pull another holofoil or even a V or VMAX card? Let's find out. This pack has some great surprises as well. The variety in card types keeps every unboxing fresh and exciting. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newcomer, there's something in here for everyone. In summary, this Pokémon TCG value pack is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their collection with quality cards while enjoying the thrill of the hunt. With 3 random booster packs and a chance at rare cards, it's a fantastic value at just $12.45. Whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift for a fellow Pokémon fan, you can't go wrong with this pack. Thanks for joining us on this unboxing adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and critiques from Product Critique. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Pokémon card is or if you've had any exciting pulls from your booster packs. Until next time, keep collecting and keep having fun.